Friday morning. We're just fixing some cereal. I got the Colossal Bear Crunch going on, as you can see. Me and the chitlins gonna eat. They get the vitamin D, as you can see. When you're young, you get to eat the good stuff. But we're just making them some cereal and me some cereal, and then we're gonna eat us some breakfast this morning. Haley, if you want to take them chairs down, y'all we can sit at the table. Oh yeah. You know, I got that 1%, that gout milk. Can't be drinking the vitamin D stuff. My gout will swell up. My foot will be so big. So yeah, we just about to eat us some breakfast this morning. As you see, there's the sleepy heads right there. There's Bella. There's Haley. Oh, sleepy head. They still got the bed heads. See that bed head? That bed head. You see that bed head over there? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna eat us some breakfast this morning together. About to put the chair. We're gonna be at the table together this morning eating some cereal. This is Bella's right here. This is Haley's. Haley's about to break everything, as you can see. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Got my bowl. You turn on the light.
Hey, Chris is sitting with us.
Yeah, we're gonna sit down. We finish that grace and eat some cereal. God is good, God is great, and we thank Him for the food He gave. Please bless it to the nourishment and strength of our bodies. By His hands we are fed. Thank you, Lord, for daily bread. In Jesus' name, amen.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. So as you see, we're just here early Friday morning about to eat the breakfast. And we'll probably check in with y'all later on in the evening. God bless y'all. Have a good day.